Today we are making some upgrades to our RV water system. And if you followed our channel for very long, you might have seen our GoBluTech water filter system with UV light that we installed probably about, I would say, roughly 6 months ago. And that thing has been a game changer. But today we're adding some new products to this. So GoBluTech sent us a new water softener, some new drinking hoses, and a water leak detector. So today I'm going to set up the new water softener and the new hoses, and I'm going to save that leak detector and install that in a future video. So be on the lookout for that, because if you've been following our channel again, you know we've had some issues with water leaks and floor damage. So that is one piece of equipment we definitely got to get installed. So as I said, GoBluTech has sent us several products to upgrade our water system, including a GoBluTech water softener, the new water hoses, fittings and accessories that came with the system, a leak detector, and more of their liquid concentrate, bleach-free water sanitation. So we're going to sanitize our water system as well. And stay tuned, in a few weeks I'm going to install that water leak detector, show you guys just how that gets installed and how you use that and how beneficial that might be for you in your RV. So as we said before in our install video on the water filters, you really never know what kind of campground water you're going to be getting, and the water is always so hard. We're always having to clean our shower doors. It builds up the hard water, the scale, the lime. So we're really excited to get this water softener installed. Hopefully that will solve a lot of those issues. And you know, if you're used to having a water softener at home, having a water softener on the road when you're camping, hey, you can't beat it. So these are the new hoses that GoBluTech has sent us, and I'm going to replace these and set up and get these connected. These are awesome because they're stainless steel. They have stainless steel fittings. These are all quick connect, which is really nice. So I'm going to set these up. They sent us a 25-foot and a 5-foot. So my plan is to use the 5-foot coming out of our wet bay and have that run down. It's only 5 feet. That will connect to the water softener, and this one is 25 feet. Will connect to the campground's water and then connect to the other side of the water softener. But I'm excited because these roll up really easily. Stainless steel, like I said, safe for drinking. Very high quality. But first, I need to open up the water softener and get this out of its box. I haven't even seen it yet. So let's get this out of its box and see what we're working with. So if you did watch our video installing the water filter system, you'll know that we installed that permanently. This one here I'm going to keep portable, where I can just take it out when we're at the campground, plug it in, and then when we're done, put it back in the RV. All right, so I'm going to get this set up, read the directions, make sure I know what I'm doing. Now, I went through the directions, and it basically said that it's best to connect your water softener after your GoBluTech water filter system. I can't do that because we're on the road right now, and I don't have the time or the resources to splice in and make the connections that I need. And since it's brand new and already recharged, I'm going to just go ahead and run it inline in to our water inlet and use it on this trip like that. And then when I get home, I will come back and I will modify this outlet side of the GoBluTech water filters and make a connection where I will be able to connect the water softener there, sit the water softener here, and when you have to recharge it, it's very simple. You just take the last canister out, this would be ours, the middle one, because of the UV filter, and you put the salt Regeneration cartridge in there, fill it with salt, and there's a couple little processes you go through to regenerate the beads that are inside there for water softening. But like I said, for today, since I don't have the time nor the resources, since we're on a very long trip right now away from home, I'm just going to hook it up pre-filters, which means I will take my first 5-foot stainless steel hose and connect it to my water inlet. And these do have quick connects on there, like I said, stainless steel, which is nice. So we'll go ahead and get this one in. Now, actually, you know what, because we're on the road again and I'm limited on space in here, I think I'm going to have to bypass the quick connect because it's going to stick it out too far. Let's see if that actually is going to shut without a... Okay, so it still will shut. It's putting it in a little bit of a bind.
So I definitely need to get a elbow, and I don't know if I can find one where we're at right now. All right, so the water softener, like I thought, would fit perfectly here. And of course, like I said, once I get it permanently connected in here, I won't have to deal with this, but I'll connect this 25-foot hose to the water inlet, run it up in here, connect it here, connect the out to my, and connect this to that. Go ahead and screw my quick connect on here. Actually, never mind. I got extra quick connects, so I don't need that. All I have to do is connect it like this. Okay. And there's already a quick connect on here too, I believe. Yep. Run this up in here. Connect it here. All right. Now, all I got left to do is run the hose to our water source. I have to turn the dial from salt regen to softening. I actually was looking online, and there is a way that you can regen this without using the filter and the salt cartridge past the filter system. But you have to, so obviously you turn the water off, disconnect the water, tip this on its side and drain out the water as much as you can. Then you would unscrew the top, put your salt directly in, and then go through the regen process. But I do want to, like I said, I do want to get this permanently installed. You can see back there with our little UV light on the water filter system that right now no water is flowing through, because if there was, that light would become green. So I'm going to turn the water on and we're going to test it out, and I'm going to go in and take a shower and see if it feels any different. I can hear water definitely going in, filling the water softener. Okay, it didn't take too long. Now let's, I'm going to go in and have Allie turn on some water. I'm going to make sure that our UV light filter is active, and we'll test it out and let you guys know what we think. Okay, so I got Allie inside. She's going to turn the water on, and I want to hear what's going on. Oh yeah, so we got the green light, UV filter's working. I can hear water going through the system. We'll clean our shower doors real good and see if they stay cleaner as far as hard water. And I will come back and show you guys in our follow-up videos to this, after we've used it a while, we will also show you how to do the salt regen. Okay, so it comes with this little canister. You take the top off, put your salt in. It comes with a little hose with a quick connect on the little push-pull quick connect on the softener itself for regenerating it. And it seems like it's a simple process. But like I said, for now we're going to use it the way we have it, with the water softener before our filter system. And we will use it the rest of this trip, see how we like it, see if we notice a big difference in the water quality and the water softness. Okay, so I figured to give you guys a quick follow-up. We have been using the water softener now for a few days, and I'm filling the freshwater tank right now, but I was able to go to a Home Depot locally, got my elbow, so that works great. I never thought to get a second elbow for over here on our black tank flush, but I'm gonna do that too. But yeah, it's filling right now. You can see the green light back there. It's filling our tanks with fresh water. Well, as you can see, we cleaned the shower doors, and you can tell right here behind here where I wasn't really able to get the limeway and clean it, how bad it was before. And this is after about a week. It is still see a little bit of hard water, but man, it's nothing like it was. So that's after about a week's use. It looks pretty clear, and I'll show you what the doors look like right before we clean them. Really bad. So I will definitely say after a few showers, we definitely can tell that the suds of the soap are sudsing up more. So I think it's doing its job. We will definitely continue to update you guys, in future videos as we've used it longer.
But so far, really loving this setup.
All right, guys, so I think that's going to pretty much wrap up this video. If you have any questions about GoBluTech water filters or their systems, drop it down in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer it. If I don't know the answer, I will contact GoBluTech myself and find out the answer for you. But I also want to let you know that you can earn 7% off anything you order from GoBluTech. Check the link in the description below. We're excited to use this and see if it really improves the water quality even more, because we have loved the GoBlu water filter system. It has been a game changer. No more buying bottles of water. That alone is a big, big, big thing for me. I always hated buying bottles and cases of water. All that said, we will see you guys in the next video. If you're new here, you like RV content, you like RV travel, you like seeing new places and discovering new things, make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, drop us a comment on your way out, even if you don't have a question, and drop us a like down below. All these things help the channel out, and we will see you in the next video. All right, bye guys.